Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to create a React application using Create React App in Visual Studio Code. First, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed on your machine, go to code.visualstudio.com and download Visual Studio Code by clicking the download option based on your operating system. Go to Start option and search for Visual Studio Code and open it. Now go to Terminal option on top left and select New Terminal option. It will open like this at bottom. First, to create new React app, we need either Node or NPM installed on your machine. I have already installed Node and NPM on my machine. To check the Node version installed, type Node-V and click Enter. To check the NPM version installed, type npm-v and click Enter. To create React app, type npx space create react app space react app sample. Create React App is the library we are using to create React App. React App Sample is the name of my React application. It will take few minutes to install all the dependencies needed and to create the React App. Now it's done and our first React App is ready. Now go to Open folder and open React App Sample folder, which is our React App got created. Click on Yes, I trust the authors. This is how the folder structure of the React App will look like. Now go to Terminal and open New Terminal. Now to make our React App to start and running, type npm start in Terminal and click Enter. It starts React App and opens the app on default browser. By default it opens on localhost 3000 port. The screen you are seeing is created by Create React App default. That is written in app.js. To update it, just remove the content on app.js and save the file by clicking Ctrl and S. It will show blank page on browser as we removed the content on app.js. Now, add one h1 element on app.js. Give some sample text in h1 element and save it. Once you save it will automatically reflect on browser. It will show h1 heading we have added in app.js. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.